So hello everybody. As you can probably tell just from the title of this video, I'm absolutely disgusting. And it has been months since I've cleaned my room. I do have a little excuse I gotta throw in there so you guys don't fully think I'm disgusting, but yeah, my excuse is that I am in college, so I am not home all the time. I was fully home in like August, so I haven't been like home in months. I usually come home on the weekends, make a mess, and then leave for my future self to clean up later, but my future self never cleans it up, and so this is where we are today. It's gotten way out of control, and we need to clean this up now. It can wait no longer. So, that being said, it is currently, let's see what time it is, see how long it takes me to do this. It is currently 11:54 p.m. Not sure why I'm just now getting to this, but yeah, so that's what time it is right now. I know for a fact that this has been much needed. It is almost embarrassing, but I mean, my room has definitely been worse. That is embarrassing to say, but my room has definitely been worse. And it's really funny because this entire time I've been like home from break, like my dad like pops his head into my room all the time, and he literally is just like,
Hey, so, what you doing today? You gonna... Okay, cool. Yeah, I just wanna know what you're doing today, you know. No plans? You're not doing anything? Anything? There's nothing you want to do at all. Nothing. Okay. Okay.
so, yeah, the guilt has, got into me, and, let's clean this room. I don't even know where to start. Actually, I'm going to start with making my bed, because I usually clear off my bed and then set things from the floor onto my bed and organize them into piles. So, that is how we are gonna start. So, there's this animal sleeping on the bed. My animal. Not exactly what to do with her. I know if I try and move her, she's just gonna attack me, so she's just gonna sit right there. We're gonna work around the situation. Okay. So after like making this, I'm realizing that I'm just gonna be going to bed in the next few hours, so not sure how productive that was, but am I disturbing you or something? Cause okay. You wanna tell him? You wanna tell him? Okay, I'll tell him. So we finished making the bed. I did all the work, but whatever. And okay, bro, I literally just folded that. Are you comfortable or good now? You good? Okay. Yeah, my dog does wear a diaper because she's a little POS. So, okay, well, my bed was made and it was looking pretty, and then she just destroyed it, but we're gonna move on. Okay, so there's a little evil dog sleeping all peacefully, and then you move over to this side of my room, and there are just piles of stuff that were on my bed, and I had to wrap Christmas presents, so I like shoved everything into this corner, and then I just have like a paper roll thing right there with little pictures of my dog on it. So I'm gonna basically put all of this crap on my bed sort and fold it as necessary. I think I'm gonna hang my backpack up on my door since school is over, so I'm not gonna use it. Let's hurry up and do this thing. So a lot of this stuff is my summer clothes that I brought home from school. So they're all clean, so I just really have to fold them and then put them away for the winter time. And some of this is just dirty clothes that I need to wash. So that is what we are doing. Okay, so I have 4 piles going on right now. This is all my summer stuff, which I'm going to put in the dresser that you guys are sitting on top of right now. And this is all clothes that I want to wear while I'm here, and also that I'm taking back up to school with me, which is kind of difficult to find a place for them, but I'm going to put them in my dresser that you guys are on for now. And then I have a pile of garbage and chewed Kleenexes, thanks to that one. I also have things that I'm just going to hang up in my closet. That was a lot of stuff I just cleaned up in like 5 seconds, so now I'm just going to put it all away where it belongs. Okay, so moving on to another pile of crap I picked up off of my floor that I'm sorting. Okay, so this whole situation looks a lot better. I just have Christmas wrapping paper and like Christmas tags and a pen that I think I'm just gonna put right there for now because I still need access to them and I just need to wrap all my Christmas gifts. So I'm gonna keep those right there, and then we're not even gonna look at the closet. We're just gonna, nope, that's a whole different day. And then I'm going to take my entire bag that I brought home from college and basically put all of this stuff on my bed and do the exact same thing that I did. Okay, so this side of the room looks so much better. I can actually see the floor. This bag is stuff I'm taking back up to school with me. So I want to keep it packed, but I think I'm just gonna keep it right there so that I remember to take it back over to school with me. I know it doesn't look too nice there, but I guess that is what happens when you come home from college. So next, moving on to the gross side of my room, which this is actually filled with a bunch of people's Christmas gifts. I'm getting 4 people, so I think I'm just gonna like all this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the Christmas gifts I got people and I'm gonna put them in a pile in my closet so I know to wrap them, but I'm gonna basically do the same thing, put everything right here onto my bed, make piles, sort, you know the drill. Okay, so this is a massive pile of crap that was all on the side of my bed. So I have this garbage bag which is filled with clothes that I'm gonna give to Salvation Army, so I'm just gonna go put this outside in the hallway because I don't need it taking up room. Okay, and I also have a lot of garbage in here, so I'm gonna start collecting that. Okay, so I got some of the garbage out, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate all of the gifts that I have for people in here, and I'm gonna go put them in a pile in my closet so I know to wrap them. Okay, so this is the biggest thing I don't know what to do with, and that is my giant mermaid tail blanket, which is absolutely amazing, but takes up a lot of room. Should I just add it to my blankets? Here, maybe my dog wants to cuddle with it. There. She didn't even wake up. Now I'm just going to sort the clothing out from the other stuff. So I have the clothing all over here, other stuff all over here, and I'm just gonna fold all of this and don't you die on me, Sam. Okay. Wow. It's getting late and I'm tired. Okay, we just gotta bust through this. So, yeah. This is the hard part where you have no idea where to put some of this stuff, and that is how my closet gets stuck. Yeah, we're not even gonna look at the closet, so... Okay, so guys, I am proud to announce that you can finally see my... That's dirty. You can finally see my floor. I have cords and stuff everywhere. But yay, it looks so much better. My bed's made. My dog is still out. Are you good? She kind of looks dead. I don't know. Okay, her eye opened. We're good. I'm not gonna clean off any of my surfaces. Hey, that is a bad one. That is a really bad one. Because that'll be for a different day. And, this is stuff like bathing suits, old gymnastics leotards, stuff nail polish I don't want anymore, or I don't know what to do with. So I'm just gonna leave that there. And I just have to clean up some of that stuff too. But other than that, it looks way better than it did. Okay, well that did not take as long as I thought it did. Let me see. 12:47. Wait, did we start at 11:47? No, we started at 11:54. So that took pretty much exactly an hour, which for the amount of stuff I did, I'm pretty impressed. I went from like not being able to see my floor to seeing my floor. So I just have to vacuum and stuff still, but it's almost 1 a.m. Family sleeping. Don't think they would appreciate that. So yeah, you, me, my dog, we all went through a lot tonight. And the tabletops will be saved for another day because I need to get to bed. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a different video, but I just knew I would not be able to clean my room if I did not have a motive or some other type of distraction because I'm really bad at cleaning and doing that kind of stuff. So thank you guys for helping me out with that. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.